Hi everyone, it's Louise here from Sew Sofia Bags. I wanted to show you, I'm too excited not to show you. I've just opened my latest delivery of fabric and it's the Christmas one, and I've just cut out the first panel of this advent calendar to get an idea of the size and see what I need to do, because I will be making a video tutorial on how to make the calendar to go with my July project box. So I'm going to switch the camera around and just give you a sneak peek of how gorgeous this calendar it really is in the flesh. One moment, and excuse the mess. I didn't think of tidying up my kitchen before doing this. Okay, so here's what the panel looks like, and it's actually a lot bigger than my usual advent calendars that I've made in the past. It measures about 50 centimeters wide by about 75 centimeters long, and the details are just gorgeous. The colors are so different. There's like a timeless quality but with a modern twist. So you've got mustards and pinks, like a salmon-y pink, and a cardinal red. It's like a deep red, and grey and teal. It's just lovely. So this is your background for your advent calendar, and then on the bottom, this section along the bottom with the front door is going to be one giant pocket for well, I assume for Christmas Day. For I mean, you could put a whole big long box of chocolates in the bottom if you wanted to. And then, coming over to this side, these are the little windows that we'll be turning into pockets to pin onto the calendar. And you have the option of pinning, you have the option of adding the windows in a random order or numerically. So it depends on if you want to keep people guessing, where's pocket number 1, where's pocket number 21, or you can put them in numerical order. And then down on the bottom, here is the huge pocket that the front door pocket that you'll be putting along the bottom. But that's not all, because at the top of the panel, the designer Katarina Roccella has also included these sweet ornaments that you can cut out and sew together and stuff with stuffing, which I will also be including in the project box. And I'll also be including some ribbon so that you can make them into little hanging ornaments. And these, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 5 of them together. I love the angel, isn't that gorgeous? But each ornament you can stuff, and then you could actually pop some of them in your pockets of your calendar for certain days, so that whoever is opening the calendar can pop a hanging ornament on the tree. It's just gorgeous, and I'm just so happy that I've gone with this fabric. I can't wait to get started. And I really hope that you'll be joining me. Those who have pre-ordered the box, I'll be prioritizing making up your boxes for you. And I need to do a video tutorial to go along with the box. So I need a couple more days to get things sorted out, but hopefully by the weekend I'll be getting the first boxes out. And there is limited availability on this box. I only got enough to make, I think, about 13 or 14 calendars, and I will be making at least one of those for demonstration purposes. And I should also mention, this fabric has not actually arrived in the UK. The Adventale fabric line is only arriving around middle of September. I've managed to get it earlier to put into my kits, so I'm feeling really, really lucky that I was able to get this fabric earlier here in the UK. So if you'd like to make one of these gorgeous advent calendars with me, pop over to my website. I'll also pop a link in the comments to go and reserve your box. And I will also be doing a personalized version of this calendar, and anyone who pre-ordered will get the bonus kit to personalize your calendar as well. That's all from me for today. Christmas message over and out.